Hey everyone, my name is Wendell Cox. I'm the owner of Mortgage Credit Pro. In our plan of action, we have recommended credit cards. We move you up through credit card tiers. We have to start out with secure credit cards because that's how the credit system works in the United States. So we add one more credit card, which helps bring your score up. We try to get you to around 600, and then we move you up into tier 2, unsecured credit cards that are easier approval, but they require that you have at least 2 credit cards that are already reporting to your credit. That way you will be able to get credit cards that don't require a deposit, which are unsecured. And then after you have your home loan, you can then move up to tier 3, which is opening the Chase, Bank of America, or American Express credit cards. Please refer your friends and family. We do have a referral program. So if you're going to refer somebody to us, please call us so we can let you know about that. Go to mortgagecreditpro.com for a free consultation. Look forward to talking to you. Take care.